Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and it is such a nice day. It's actually pretty warm outside, but in the front yard at my house, it's nice and shady and cool. So I thought I would just show you our flag and everything that we put out this weekend in preparation for July 4th. And then I am going to take you on a tour of this bag of scrapbooking stuff that I picked up at a yard sale about a month ago when my husband and I got to go out. And I haven't had time to even go through it all. And if you're interested in that kind of thing, I invite you to join me. It may be a little chatty because we're just going to be going through the bag. And so I hope you'll stay and join us. Thank you so much. Here we go. Okay, so in the front, my husband received this flagpole. It's a spinning, I guess, flagpole, and so it doesn't tangle. And so we got that put up yesterday. He was really excited about that. And then we picked up these flags at the Dollar Tree, and these little solar lights from the Dollar Tree. Well, all of this is from the Dollar Tree, actually. The little fairy houses, and then the little froggy solar light, and the turtle and the squirrel. You can see it there. And these flags, solar lights, are so bright and pretty, and we only had them out for a little while yesterday afternoon, and they came on so nicely. So anyway, I take you over to our flower bed. Everything needs a little water because it has been really hot. But here are some more of those dollar flags from the Dollar Tree, and they are so nice. And then we put our solar flag lights in there, and so it's not, you know, they really are nice. And so anyway, and this little guy right here, this little Frankenstein, he gets hidden for the last couple of years. Whenever we find him, we hide him again, and then next time somebody does the yard, when they find him, they hide him. So it's just kind of a fun thing. Anyway, so then at our front door, there is the wreath that I made with all Dollar Tree items. I'll show you again. The stars, the wall decoration, the red, white, and blue stars and stripes bow, and then this is the garland that wrapped around a wreath, a styrofoam wreath. And then this star we got last year and really like it, so we hung it up. So we're all ready. So let's go through this bag. Okay, so I purchased this bag for $10 at the yard sale. I'm going to try to make sure I keep it all in the frame, but I haven't even had a chance to go through it yet. You can see it's filled with all kinds of stuff. So let's just go pocket by pocket. In this pocket, there are stickers, and these are all happy stickers, emojis. They're all bright colors, really cute. A little bent up, but I'm sure if we lay them out, that will resolve itself. I guess it's all filled with random stuff. So we've got this paint. So it's pure gold metallic folk art paint. So I'm just going to set that aside. Here is a memory album. So I wonder if we should just make something with all this stuff that's already here, not using any of my other stuff. All right, this is paint, and I think this one's dried out. So this one is trash, so we're going to throw that away. Here is a stick glue. Still good. Nice. Okay, so we'll set that aside. What else is in here? Look at all these decorative scissors, and you know what? I have a ton of them already. So we've got these. They're by Flash. This is, oh, that's what it's called, this corkscrew. This one doesn't have the name on it, but that's a pretty one. Then this one. This one has a heartbeat that you can see. Okay, well, there's some more scissors in here. So we've got the inchworm. How cute these names are. Mine don't have names. And then these, the wave, and then this pair of scissors. These might be good to donate too. And yes, I am just sitting on a sheet here. So here's some neon pink folk art. That sounds like there's some in there. Ladybug. I guess that's wood. Little ladybug, cute. Okay. Here's some stamps. This one is memory milestones. And there's stuff all stuck in it. And a door. That's pretty. So a couple of stamps. Just sticking all the trash over to the side. Okay, here's some puffy stickers. These are cute. What do we have here? Glue sticks for a mini glue gun. And it's a pretty full. Okay, awesome. Oh goodness, this has just got so much stuff in it. Look at these cool buttons. They're kind of flat. It says scrapbooking buttons, so that's nice. Set that aside. Oh dear. Okay, that's really pretty, that die cut. And this sticker. And then somebody's pictures, which we'll take care of those and set them aside. Okay, here's some more of these die cuts and another of these stickers. So we're just gonna put them on there. And some more of these, like little embellishment. Okay, this one, oh, this one is different. You are what you believe. Okay, we'll just put that together. Goodness, there's more. Okay, some more stickers. And I think I'm just gonna, oh, look at these scissors. I think I'm just gonna speed through this just a little bit. Okay, so that's the first pocket, and maybe the bag only cost me $9.90 because there was a dime in there. So I'm making a little money back. All right, so let's go through this main bag. Here's another scrapbook or photo album. That's a big one. And another. And this one's more of a, it's got the covers for the pages. So that's nice. Then got paper. Oh, Katie, look. And I didn't have to buy this separately. Anyway, okay, so we've got this limited edition DCWV, and it was on clearance when they bought it. And then here's another paper book, mixed media paper, solids, I like that too. And that's nice. Oh, and it's got some vellum pages in here too, nice. And then there's, oh, what is this? Here is a family album. Looks like they started working on it or just decorated the out, but the papers are inside are all blank. So that's nice. We can take these off. Maybe cover this cover with something new. We'll see. All right, then there are some flowers in here. Whole bunch of flowers. And here are some stencils. They're all alphabet stencils, so that's nice. Nice. Got a lot of stuff in here. Some stickers, the alphabet stickers. Nice. And some paper. Here's a page kit with chipboard stickers or wood, vellum words. I think they used some of this for something. And here's some more paper. Let's see what else is in here. Some more paper, some more stencils. These are alpha stencils. There's another stencil here for backgrounds. These papers. Some papers. Some scraps. Let's see, let's get in here and see what all's in here. So we've got flower stickers, some more stencils, some more stickers, and here's a book. Let's see what this one is. Oh, it's another book to do. Nice. For scrapbooking. Here's some paper. This is from 2018. I guess if we need to cover our page while we're working. Here's some more papers. All kinds of mixed papers. And let's see what else is in here. So I'm just gonna speed this up. Okay, so we just have one more pocket to go, and it's not that much stuff in it. Got these little embellishments, little scraps, little die cuts, you know, little embellishments there. And this had something in it. Let's see. There's a stamp pad in here, and it's still pretty inky, so that's good. Now I have a pink finger. And here's a couple more stamps, so that's nice. A little more stamps and another pair of scissors. This is Ripple. Another ink pad. I guess we should, ooh, yeah, that one's still good too. Now I have a blue and a pink finger. This is Blooming Flowers. So this is a set of pretty flowers that are really vintage colors, kind of like this set we saw just a little earlier, but these are, I've never seen them in a package like that. Okay, and then here's the top to our container, and I think all of these letters, these alphas and numbers, all go in there. And there's the C, perfect. And one glue stick, one more die cut, and that is it. So that was interesting. It's kind of like a treasure, and you have to figure out what you have in it. So I hope you enjoyed sitting out here with me in the shade in this nice breezy day. There's not been much wind this afternoon, but just going through this bag of goodies and discovering what all it had in it. It had a lot of goodies in it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll stay tuned for the next video. I've got a lot of stuff coming up, so catch you on the next one.